guys, welcome back to my channel. We're at Ace Car Wash Express Pico Tunnel here. We're at Pico Tunnels right now. And we have the Pico Top Rush. Really excited about. And yeah, we're going to get that foam right there. Okay. Wait.
While he reads it, as well.
Can't really say that well. Yeah, guys, so we're at a Pico tunnel right now. I hope you guys subscribe and like this video. And yeah, so this tunnel looks like 15 feet long or so, like that. Or 20, I don't know.
It's about, I'm going to say
60.
Yeah, at least. Yeah, about 60, 50, 60.
Alright, guys, we're at a Premium, Supreme Rush, Premium Express, and Basic. Come on, foam. Yay, we got foam. Pico Top Rush, guys. Pico wraparounds. And here's the Pico drivers, as you see. Yep, hopefully. Hey, yep, it says Pico. Hey guys, start following the best Pico tunnels I've seen. So please subscribe and like this video.